Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting tools and the replacement battery ready. This saves time and prevents mistakes. First, power off the earphones and remove ear tips. Make sure you keep small parts organized. Next, use a thin pry tool to separate the housing seam gently. Go slowly because clips can snap. Once done, locate the battery and wiring inside. Make sure to photograph or note wire routing and polarity so you can restore everything exactly as it was. You now remove the old battery with steady hands and patience. First, document polarity, take a close photo. Then heat the solder joint briefly to free the leads. If it's a connector, gently unclip it. While doing this, avoid tugging on wires because traces can lift. Once the battery is free, test fit the new battery to confirm clearance and connector orientation. Make sure to match voltage and capacity specs, otherwise you risk poor performance or damage. You install the replacement by aligning polarity and soldering each lead with quick, controlled heat bursts. Then secure the battery with a small dab of silicone or foam to prevent movement. Once done, reassemble the housing. Snap clips in the original sequence, then replace ear tips and seals. Charge fully and perform pairing, audio playback, and microphone checks. If something fails, make sure to reset the earphones, recheck solder joints and connector orientation, and inspect for shorted wires. That troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.